What's up guys, and welcome to a new video. Today's video is all about one skincare product that literally made me speechless. In my 24 years of living, I tried out many different skincare products, from very cheap to very pricey. And I must commit, I never had a skincare product like this one. But before I tease you too much, let me show you what I talk about. I'm talking about this vitamin C mask by the brand GLEAMIN. This mask is specially formulated for all skin types. Yes, you heard it right, for every skin type. So no matter if you have dry skin, oily skin or combination skin, this mask is the perfect choice for you. But let's talk about what is so special about this mask. This vitamin C mask contains natural, certified organic ingredients, like for example aloe vera, turmeric plus vitamin C, which in combination will help you with a lot of skin problems. For example, it is perfectly made to fight acne scars and dark spots in your face due to the brightening effect of vitamin C. Besides that, aloe vera will moisturize your skin and turmeric will help you to fight and prevent pimples. And besides that, the combination of turmeric plus vitamin C will also establish a natural glow on your face. And one thing that I recognized while using it is that you can simply get results very quick. For example, after using it 1 to 3 times, you will already recognize a natural glow on your face. And I also recognized that some dark spots on my face literally disappeared and now my face looks way more even. And I also struggled a lot with big pores on my face, and since I'm using this mask, they literally disappeared. Honestly, if I could only recommend one skincare product for every man, it will definitely be this mask by GLEAMIN. It will help you to get rid of acne scars, dark spots, prevent and fight pimples, and also create a natural glow on your face. Another great thing about this mask is that it is really easy to apply. It comes with a small brush that you can use to apply this mask. And it honestly makes the whole process way easier. So just apply this mask with this small brush, especially on your T-zone, and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that, simply wash it off with warm water. For achieving the best results possible, I would definitely recommend to do it 2 to 3 times per week. And guys, I 100% promise you, it really works. This mask is really a 10 out of 10. And as I already said, the results are really mind-blowing and already visible after 2 to 3 times of using it. I can highly recommend to try this mask out. It will help you no matter with what skin problem you are struggling. I will link you the mask in the description of this video so you can directly check it out. Definitely give it a try. I promise you it is worth it and will also surpass your expectations. As I already said, link is in the description below. And yeah guys, that's basically it for today's video. Hopefully you found some value in this video. Also make sure to smash the like and subscribe button down below. Become part of the family so I can help you out to become your best version possible. Thank you so much for watching guys. See you in the next video.